44 game. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like Hemi like
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi like 44. Back with another banger, you understand me? Man, y'all like this video. If you're new to this channel, man, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? You, brother, hit the like. You right there in the orange shirt, you understand me? Oh, I'm talking to myself, my bad. But everybody else, black shirt, I see you. You, brother, the one sitting on the couch with watching it on the TV, you know what I'm saying? You too, hit the like button, bro. You know what I'm saying? But hey, y'all know what today is, man. Today is the day where I'm headed to Houston for the meet and greet, the back to school drive / meet and greet. Man, I'm on the way down to Houston. It's 6:30 a.m. right now. I got my guy Ed with me. Y'all know Ed ride with me everywhere, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter where we going, he gonna go. You know what I'm saying? If don't nobody else go, Ed rolling with me. You know what I'm saying? But we had to stop at QT and fill up the beast. You know what I'm saying? We had to go fill up the beast, which I'm filled up already. But I do need to put a little air in my tires or whatnot. But yeah, man, so got my bro, I don't know what's on my windshield, man. I clean my windshield won't stay clean. Like, look, I cannot get that off of there, bro. I cleaned it that side good, but this side for some reason, bro, I cleaned it the same way. I don't know why it won't come out. Now on the inside it look clean, but looking at it right here, it's actually a little dirty. So I got my lights on. RGB halos, man. Y'all know where to go if y'all want some of those. You know what I'm saying? I got my car wiped down. I ain't really get to wash it, because I be having to do hand washes, and it's hard to do hand washes, man, when everybody ain't got, well, we ain't got hand washes everywhere, or people can't come to you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I wiped it down. It looked good. I don't have my underglow on. I need to turn my underglow on, man. But let me get, that's a dope picture right there. Let me get that picture, man. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But we're finna get rolling. This my guy Ed car right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all do not, if you see this car, don't try to look. If you see this car, don't try to race it, man. Do not try to race this car. He will walk off and leave you. You know what I'm saying? He will walk off and leave you. You know, pro choice thing. This thing pro choice, so don't play with it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Looking good though. Let me go ahead and get me something to drink, man. So 44 game, man. We kinda on the side of the road. Well, we ain't on the side of the road, stranded. We pulled up to an earth shot. Bro, I don't know what's going on with my tire, bro. I am getting so sick of this, bro. I really want to take these wheels out, put my other ones back on. But it's crazy. The thing about it, this wheel, I can let this car sit. Man, a week, bro, and my air won't go out. Or it'll go out, like, say for instance, I park it at 40. When I get in it, it'll be at like 35 or something. But when I drive it, it go out faster. Like when we left the gas station this morning, I put it to 42. We in Corsicana. Y'all don't know, Corsicana is like maybe 45 minutes to an hour from where we was at. And now it's at 30. Now it's at 30, man. It's crazy. I was sitting there watching it go down. And how I knew I felt my wheel, you know, how when your tires uneven, it pull to one side. Whatever side got less pressure, that's the side it's gonna pull to. So I just so happened to check it, and it was at like 30, bro. It seems like every time we go somewhere, something happens. Every time. And I get out the car after we pulled up here. She pretty much told me she just ordered me a air deal, one of those portable air one of those portable air pumps, like the ones that come in the car. She ordered me one, so I appreciate her for that. I appreciate them, man. Like I say, they ride with me everywhere. It's just straight. Hey, bro, I'm going here. You want to go? All right, bet. Let me know. They down every time. You know what I'm saying? I got some partners that's like that. They pretty much ride with me like that too. But you know, some had to work, some had other stuff going on, so they couldn't make it. But shout out to them. They know who they is. I ain't saying no names. They know who they is though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we stranded on the side of the road right now on the way to Houston, man. This seems like this happen every time, bro. Hey, when I text you, I was already thinking like, man, I know he back there like, boy, this happen every time. Something happen every time. That's crazy. But hey, I need to take these wheels off, bro. I need to take them off. Don't put my factories back on. The reason why I hadn't put my factories back on is because with this wide body and the spaces I have, these sit in just a little bit. They sit in just a little bit, which I like it. Some people tell me to push it out. You need to get bigger spaces or whatnot. I like it like this, honestly. They sit in just a little bit, and I don't know how them factories gonna look with it sitting in a little bit like that. So I just keep these on, but I might put the other ones back on. Y'all get in the comments right now. Let me know if I should put the other wheels back on. Y'all let me know. This is what I hate about. This is what I hate about tire problems, man. Look, my whole wheel, they done dipped it in water. That's crazy. Nothing leaking, he say. So if he don't find nothing leaking, then that means it could be the wheel, not the stem. It got to be something leaking.
I don't think he took the tire off. I think he just lifted it. I don't know how those valves work. I don't even know if they have like stems like that in the top. Like special valves.
Tell you, yeah, these valve stems different. Like, I don't even know if you can change that. I don't even know how you would. You gotta take the tire off. You have to take the tire off. And I don't know, bro. Something ain't right. Something is not right. I don't know. My light's right though. Them right. But I don't know, bro. I need. Those wasn't even mine. I need to take that off. I need to take it off all of them. So they didn't find nothing wrong with this tire. That one, they said it wasn't nothing leaking. That one be leaking too though, but that one is the one I'm worried about. This one, I ain't worried about that one. That one don't never go less than like 32. That one will stop at 32 and like stay there. But this one right here, that one right there, dummy. That one go down like I say, within 40 minutes, that thing lost 10 pounds of, no, 12 pounds of pressure, man. Come on, man. I'm about to show y'all something. I had to put this, I gotta put this on camera, man. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. I just want to say I ain't got nothing against gays or nothing like that. That's your preference. That's hey, it's all good, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If that's your preference, that's your preference. It's just not mine. You understand me? Nothing against them. But that caught me off guard, bro. They caught me way off guard. Look, they over there laughing. That caught me way off guard. Man, I told that man it's my stem, bro. I don't know why he just won't. I said it's my stem. It ain't the wheel, bro. It's the stem. And the tire good. I ain't got nothing against them, but it's just not. Hey, hey, I gotta make sure I cut that out of here. Yeah, I was recording. Oh man, we can't keep that in there, man. But yeah, he jumped out this truck right here. Look. Oh man. Oh man. Yo, so bro, we rolling, bro. We back rolling. Hold on. Ooh. Right? Hey, these cars, bro. Y'all gotta think. Look how I can't tell you how fast I'm going.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder.
But it's crazy how, bro, these cars, you can be going 130. You can be going 130 like this, bro. One hand on just. Now I only have my hand on the wheel, bro. I got my wrist. You know how you put your wrist over this. I got my wrist on the wheel, bro. They make these cars so good for high speed. It's crazy. But me, I always keep my steering in track mode. My steering always in track. Now I got my custom settings on, which my custom settings, I'll show y'all my custom settings. So this is my custom setting. I keep it in custom. My transmission is on sport. My pedal shifters are on, they always on. My traction is in track and my steering is in track. So pretty much everything is track except my transmission. I don't want my transmission in track all the time. It's not good to drive like that. But I gotta have my steering in track mode, man. My steering stay in track. As y'all can see, man, my guy Ed right there. We've been rolling, man. Well, we just started rolling. Like this. We've been going like maybe about 80. You know what I'm saying? We've been going like 80 or so. Might hit 90 here and there. But for the most part, we've been going about 80. But when we hit this little 3-lane road right here, and a little bit before this road, that's when we was, you know what I'm saying, getting down through there. Like, see here, you know what I'm saying? Bro, wrist on the wheels, bro. Like, you ain't gotta hold these steering wheels with your fist, bro. You ain't gotta grip it. This track steering is so tight, bro. It keep it in place, which is very safe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my tire fixed. What it was, my wheel. Oh, or if I was doing a 130, 140 on that hump, that would have been ugly. But my wheel is leaking. I guess when I got my wheels painted, y'all remember my wheels been leaking since I got them back from getting them painted. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't never seen that Dodge before, that truck. But it's like when you put these 3-piece wheels, when you put them together, obviously you got to take these apart to paint them. They don't just paint them, you take them apart. But the dude didn't seal it back right. So that's what's leaking. It's not my stem, it's not my tire, it's actually my rim is not sealed back right. So air is seeping out of it. So we done had to stop. We stopped. Oh, pedal box engaged, baby. Y'all better get y'all pedal box, man, if y'all ain't got one already. But we had to stop it one more time to get some air. Just stopped maybe 20, literally maybe 20 minutes ago. No more than 20 minutes ago, we just stopped. I put my air on 45. Let's see where it's at. It's on 34 already. It's crazy, bro. It's on 34. No, it seems like the faster I drive, the more air come out. That's crazy. It's irritating, bro. I would not take this car on another trip until I get my wheel fixed. But the lower the air get, the slower it come out. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, so I wasn't able to get that fixed, so we gotta ride and keep stopping and keep getting air.